Welcome to Energy this week. I'm sorry to miss you if you're not going to make it to the module session, but I wanted to give you guys a video to walk you through the module for this week. I hope you did great stepping. What I want you to do with your steps is to look at your goal. Were you achieving it? If you weren't achieving it, then stick with your current goal, but if you were easily achieving and getting your steps in, try to increase your goal again this week and just keep being active throughout the program. So this week we talk all about fruits and vegetables, and the reason we choose that as a topic is because just by increasing our fruits and vegetables, we can improve our health. If we use fruits and vegetables to substitute other less healthy foods, then we can even lose weight. And the reason that is because fruits and vegetables are packed with nutrition, which give us all of the health benefits, and they're low in calories. So lots of processed foods that we tend to snack on can be very dense in calories. So you might be eating the same amount, or the quantity might look the same, but you're eating lots of additional calories. So fruits and vegetables are low calorie food, but again, lots of nutrition. So first we want to talk about what are the recommendations, just like we did with physical activity. So the dietary guidelines for Americans are that we be getting about 9 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. What is a serving? So a serving of a fruit would be about a half a cup of fruit, or like a medium-sized piece of fruit. So some fruits that you buy in the grocery store are going to be possibly 2 servings for one piece of fruit. Some of the larger bananas and oranges tend to be closer to 2 servings. So you can pay attention to that when you're tracking your servings this week. For dried fruit, we reduce the size of the serving because it's denser. The water's been taken out of the fruit, but all the calories are still there. So a quarter cup is a serving of dried fruit. And you do want to be careful with dried fruits because you want to make sure there isn't any sugar added. You can just look at the nutrition label, look for words like fructose or sugar, honey. All of those are sweeteners that are going to add calories. So you want to look at the dried fruit that has no sugar added. And then vegetables, again, just like the fruit, are a half a cup. Or a medium piece of fruit, or medium piece of vegetables. And then juice is only a half cup. So a lot of times the cups that we use at home are quite a bit bigger than this half cup serving. So if you're pouring yourself a glass of orange juice, for example, in the morning, that may be 2 to 3 servings. So you need to pay attention to your servings from juice. And we want you to get a variety. So what counts? Fresh fruits and vegetables obviously count. Frozen counts. Canned fruits and vegetables count as well, although you want to be careful for added sodium and added sugar in some of those canned fruits and vegetables. Dried fruit counts, and also juice. Obviously, we don't want you to be getting all of your calories or all of your servings of fruits and vegetables from juice, so it is good to get some variety of the other kinds as well. But nutritionally speaking, per ounce, fruit and vegetables provide more nutrition than any other food, regardless of whether they're frozen or canned or fresh. So you're still getting the nutrients that you need from fruits and vegetables. So those are the recommendations. So with that in mind, your activity for the week is going to be tracking fruits and vegetables. So you want to continue tracking your steps or your physical activity. This week we're adding in fruits and vegetables, and we want you to be thinking about the things you're snacking on and incorporating fruits and vegetables throughout the day and trying to substitute some of those less healthy foods. So your handout just gives you some ideas on why we want to eat more fruits and vegetables. Obviously it's primarily for the health benefits and for weight loss as well, because like I said, they're very low in calories compared to other foods. But you can also find out about eating a variety, what kind of nutrients. There's some easy tips for getting in your fruits and vegetables. And we've also created a list, just like we did last time, for places where you can get fresh fruits and vegetables on campus. Because they are here, you just have to hunt for them a little bit. So that's your module. I'll let you walk yourself through that. And then your tracking activity is going to be very similar. Your card looks about the same. And basically what this is we have continued tracking our steps in the first table, and then we've added tracking fruits and vegetables in the second table. So every time you have one of those half cup or quarter cup servings of fruits or vegetables, you want to circle the fruit or circle the vegetable so that we can keep track of how many servings you're getting per day. Just like we did with the steps, I want you to set a goal that's realistic for you. So if you're not eating any fruits and vegetables right now, or maybe you're getting just 1 or 2 servings a day, set a goal that's realistic. Maybe you can try to get in 4 or 5, but if you're already getting 5 or 6, maybe you want to shoot for those 9 servings a day. I forgot to mention that a serving size of a leafy green, so a salad, would be a whole cup. That's just because there's a lot, it's not as dense, there's a lot of air when you measure out a cup of salad. So when we're looking at a leafy green like a salad, a serving is to be considered 1 cup. So every time you have a serving, again, circle your fruit or vegetable and try to achieve your goal every day of the week. Again, you're going to want to turn these tracking cards in. I'll actually want your week 1 and week 2 tracking cards next week so that we can do the raffle and catch up from this week as well. So I'll email you throughout the week about things that are happening for Energy, but we have some fun things happening next week, including a stadium workout. We have the Wolf Trot coming up, so there's lots of fun things happening this week as well. So, and please feel free to email me throughout the week if you have any questions. Thanks.